God bless you.
Oh, thanks, Hank.
Bless you.
Oh, thanks, Glenn. You're the best.
Bless you!
God, Gary, stop sneezing. You've been sneezing all day.
Yeah, geez, Gary, how can I do math with you sneezing constantly?
Math?
You know what? The HR's gonna bust you for this.
Look, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just battling the winter cold. Wait, what do you mean, HR?
Gary Walters? Gary Walters, looking for Gary Walters.
Oh,
here.
That's me. I'm Gary.
Hello, Mr. Walters. I am Richard Kensington, and I'm with HR.
Harry Robards.
Mr. Walters, it has come to the Human Resources Department that you've had quite the quarter of sneezing.
But it's flu season.
Well, yes, Mr. Walters. However, each employee is allotted 5 vacation days, 3 days of personal time off, and 35 God bless yous. And according to our records, you have no more allotted.
But who will I? How will I?
Okay, well, let's leave the sob story at home, okay, Mr. Walters? It's plain and simple. You sneeze again, it's coming out of your paycheck, and I don't think you can afford that.
But there's got to be something.
Hey there. Don't we maybe have some kind of, office bank saved up of God bless yous, for a rainy
bless
day?
yous.
Bless you back.
Is that really what you want, Mr. Walters? Okay? Try not to be a monster, all right? Don't drag your friends down with you.
But we're office buds.
Office buds.
Tell that to your bud Glenn over here and his dear wife.
Glenn?
Look, Gary, the missus is away for the weekend. I mean, do you know what it's like to take care of 3 kids coming home from a packed public school? Do you know what they bring with them? Viruses. Mega viruses. And I've tried to fight them off. I've tried everything. Orange juice, airborne, encasing my body inside of a bubble. Nothing works! I will catch it, and I will sneeze. I'm sorry, Gary. But I need my bless yous.
And I do what I must do.
Gary, no, don't do it.
Well, please understand it's nothing personal. It's just a strictly enforced HR policy.
Well, I guess this is it, fellas. Hank, it's sure been a pleasure working with you these past few months.
Matt.
Oh, and Glenn, shut up, Gary. Sweet Glenn. I guess we're gonna have to watch that hamster on a piano video some other time.
Well, I believe he's made his choice. He's up Schitt's Creek without a bless you.
Goodbye, sweet prince. Where in the whole world do you sneeze on a blessed like a hero?
Oh, here we go.
Hamster on a piano.
Hamster on a piano.
Wait a minute. What if Gary were to sneeze and we just didn't say anything at all? Like, just ignored him?
What? You mean to tell me a world where one sneezes and one doesn't bless one? Are you mad?
Mad enough to give it a shot. What do you say, Gary?
I say it's 4th and 1, boys, and we ain't punt today.
Yeah!
Let's give it a shot.
Yeah! Remember, don't say anything.
I'll try.
Ignore him.
I will.
This will never work. You're all going to fail. And always.
Oh, shh. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. That was nothing.
I heard a little.
Nope. La 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 la. Oh, no, hold it. Look at him. He's cracking. He's cracking. Yeah, we're getting HR responsible. You just heard. You're the HR baby. Yeah. Do it. Say it. Do it.
Go to hell, HR! Would you quit sneezing, Gary? Jesus! In heaven, who I love is on earth and died for my sins. Would you just stop sneezing? Stop right now, Gary!
I think it's done. I think it's over.
Oh my God.